property investment is the best investment that you can make with your hard-earned capital because it's the only investment that will protect you against inflation, give you a return on investment on the asset, and put the capital back in your pocket. My name is Albert van Wyk. I'm an entrepreneur, property investor, and author of my best-selling book, How to Become a Millionaire at 22. And yes, at the age of 22, I made my first million through property investment. And I'll be speaking at the Property Investors Evening happening at Protea Hotel Fire and Ice in Menlyn from 6 to 9 on the 8th of May. It's going to be an amazing event with a roster of professionals and property investors that will teach you exactly how to grow your property investment portfolio the right way. I'll be speaking on my story, sharing how I made my first million through property investment and how I went from there to build my wealth in the property investment space. I'll also show you exactly how to use your property to protect yourself against inflation, but also to get the return on investment on the asset while keeping the money in your pocket. Tickets go only for 495 Rand, so make sure you don't miss out and you book your ticket today. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the Property Investment Evening hosted by Prosperity Enterprises.